Hi, my name is Michelle and welcome to Bold Beginnings. I feel like I've never really introduced myself or said my name here on YouTube. However, here I am. It's been a minute. I've had direction in my head or instructions in my heart and in my spirit to create a YouTube channel. However, I had been disobedient. I didn't do it. And I didn't do it because of fear. I did not create my channel because I was afraid of what others would think. I was afraid of being judged. I was afraid of putting myself out there. And then one day I said, you know what? I'm not going to let fear chase me away from my destiny, from my calling, from my purpose, from the passion inside of me. I'm not going to let fear do that because I'm not going to let fear win. I'm going to win, right? Even if it's the smallest thing, always think about yourself winning. So creating a YouTube channel, it might not seem big to somebody else. Creating these videos might not seem big to somebody else, but it's big to me. So I'm winning. I have created a few videos since starting my channel on October 29th, and I actually feel so much better that I've done it. It's given me a creative outlet. I'm a very creative person. I love art. There's a lot of things that I do love, but I also like motivating people. I love to make a negative situation feel like a positive situation, like you get something out of it. So the purpose of my channel, I say is, or should I say my mission statement, is to inspire, is to motivate, is to be positive. And you can always come to me for some type of, I won't say advice, but some type of, positive message. But not only is it for you, it's for me. I made this channel for me. I need positive words. I need inspiration. I need affirmations. I need good things to be in my head 24/7 as much as possible. Because as I always say, there's so much negativity out here in the world. Why not share a positive message? Why not make others feel better about themselves? Why not create a better atmosphere? Not only for others, but for myself. And so that's the reason why I created this channel. Now, I also have to say this. My kids, I have an older child. He's almost 30. But I also have two little ones. They are 6 and 8. They always said, Mom, you should create a channel. Mom, you should do a channel. Mom, you should do a channel. And I've always said, nah, y'all are good. I'll do y'all channel. I'll do y'all's channel. I'll manage y'all stuff. That's not how it goes. So I created my channel and I feel good that I did it. So I'm proud of myself. So I also have Instagram and TikTok channels or pages or platforms or whatever. So I've been on social media for a while. It's not that I just all of a sudden said, oh, I'm going to start on YouTube. No, I've been here for years. I said it before. I never let the mic magnetize me no more, but it's fighting me, biting me, inviting me to rhyme. I can't hold it back. Okay. I also like to sing. Music is in my head 24/7. Sing, rap, whatever. It's in my head, and I'm sorry, it's going to be in these videos. So just be prepared. But again, I just want to thank you all for being here. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for getting some motivational words into your spirit and passing on that positivity out into the world. That's the purpose of my channel. And if you want to be here, be here. If you don't, go on and be negative somewhere else. I'm just kidding. Be here. I want you here. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. I appreciate you for being here. And as always, take care. And I'll see you on the next video. And then one day, Why am I getting messages as I'm doing this? I should have put it on Do Not Disturb. Okay, then so I put myself out there. October 29th is the first day that I created my face. What the heck? Motivate myself, because I feel like why is it traffic today? Hi, and welcome to Bold Beginnings. My name is Michelle. I feel like I've never done an intro video, so I just wanted to do one really quick, take some time and do one. My name again, Michelle. Welcome. Did I turn it off? Hi, everybody. Welcome to Bold Beginnings. My name is Michelle. I never introduced myself, so I just wanted to take this time to do a short intro and have it on my page. So if you've been here for a while, don't mind it. You know me by now, right? But anyway, again, welcome to Bold Beginnings. I created this channel initially to be a motivator, to help others. I currently have a faceless YouTube channel as well that I've had since August, where I do videos. Y'all heard that? It does work. All right. Hey. Hi, everybody. My name is Michelle, and this is Bold Beginnings. Thank you so much for being here with me. I really wanted to finally introduce myself, because what I think I didn't do ever is make an introductory video. Let me fix my little mirror, my little chain. I am so happy. I have my little gimbal today. I said, let me try it out. Let me try it out. And it's looking good. Hey, hey, hey. Has a face tracker on it so I can move around. Hey, hey, hey. I love it so much. Now, you know, you normally see me back here. Oh, let me show you. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I am in love. I am in love. You probably never see my whole body, but here I am. Look at this. I love it. Okay, I can get used to it. So today, let's do a video standing up. This is so brand new for me. Let's start over.